Chapter 17. The Potter's Wheel. The art of making pots by shaping and baking clay is known as pottery. In India, we have found pots and pans of clay that were used by the people of the Indus Valley civilization more than 4,000 years ago. The earliest pots were made by molding clay in different shapes and drying them in the sun. Clay is a special kind of soil that is sticky and elastic when wet, and hard and strong when dry. Earliest pottery. In olden times, people made clay pots for storing grains and other things. They made pots of different shapes and dried them in the sun. But these pots could not hold water. Soon they found that these pots could be made stronger by baking them on fire. Today, potters make many beautiful, smooth and well-designed pots, earthen lamps, pitchers, surahis, etc. with clay. The art of making pots is called pottery. Early human making pottery on potter's wheel. Steps to make pottery. Here are the steps for making pottery products. Collecting soil and preparing the dough. The soil is collected and the dough is made by kneading clay with water. The clay is pressed and squeezed to make it soft and smooth and to remove air bubbles. The dough is then left for some time. Dough being made. Shaping the dough. Dough can be shaped in many ways by hand. The most popular ways of shaping clay include the ring method, the slab method, the pinch pot method and the wheel method. The ring method. It is one of the oldest methods and simplest way of making pottery. After kneading the clay, it is rolled into ropes or coils. It is wrapped in an upward circle, till it looks like a pot. The bottom is flattened to give its base. It is then dried in the sun and painted. The slab method. This method is used to make pottery from flat pieces of clay. A small piece of clay is rolled flat like a chapati to make the base. The clay is cut into slabs. These slabs are then used to give desired shapes. The pinch pot method. In this method, a big bowl is kneaded with clay. A pit is made in the center by pressing thumb into it. The edges are then pressed using the thumb and fingers so that it looks like a pot. The pot is left to dry and then decorated. The wheel method. Potter's wheel is used to make pottery. The potter's wheel consists of a round flat wooden or metal surface that moves when the potter shapes clay on it. The wheel that is mounted on a spindle is spun by the potter either mechanically or by using foot control. The potter smoothens the lump of clay and pokes both thumbs into the top to make it hollow. Wheel method. This action changes the clay into a pot having low and thick sides. The potter shapes the sides in the desired form. Once the pot is ready, the potter removes the finished vessels with a thread or a knife. The ready pots are decorated by making many types of designs on them. Glazing is done to smoothen the pottery and make it waterproof. Baking makes the pottery hard and strong. It also makes the glaze stick to clay and it hardens the glaze as well. Pottery is baked in an oven called kiln. Pots being baked. Types of pottery. Different types of pottery is made in different parts of our country. Khurja and Jaipur are famous for their blue pottery. Uttar Pradesh is famous for black pottery. Fancy utensils made of clay are found in many houses nowadays. People use cups, dishes, glasses, pots, etc. made of clay. Blue pottery. Black pottery. Children play with clay toys. They also enjoy making toys of clay. Kulhas made of clay are used at the railway stations for serving tea and buttermilk.